Hey everyone, welcome to Learn and Live with Mahima. Today, as I have in my first video, I have already told you about that. I have planned, I have organized 30-day study plan, and I have just made it into the task which I have already shown you all. Just a sec. You can already see it here that I have made a plan into the 4 tasks, and each day we have the subtask to perform. So here, as you can see, that I have like day one, the subtask day one to day two, we were to complete the HTML foundation. That is the task. We need to build a static web page with heading, list, link, and forms. And so we have to make a static website. So static web page. So we are ready. So from today on this video, I'm here to teach you, or I'm here to make you know, like I'm myself, as I've already said you, that this is my learning journey, that this is the I've created the YouTube channel just to learn and make myself progress each day. And that is what I wanted you all, this one way journey to be the two-way journey. So let's get started, and we will learn everything from very scratch. So here, what you need to do for the HTML, we need a editor to write the HTML code. For that, what the most standard one everybody is using, every developer is using, is the VS Code. So you can go with the VS Code. Here I also use VS Code. So first, what you need, I have already installed, as you can see here down here at the bottom. What we need to do is, I'm going to make a folder, and here I'm going to write it as static web page. Okay, so I've made a folder as a static web page, and I'm going to drag and drop it into the VS Code, and it will open in the VS Code. So you can see that the VS Code has opened. Now what we need to do is, inside this inside this static, we are going to make a file, because where we are going to write, inside a file, the entire HTML code. So let's make a file, index.html. You can also write stm. See, .html, what you can see is here, is basically an extension. Now what does this mean? Extension in the sense that the browser as well as the editor will understand that what language we are using, the user is using. So suppose we are using HTML here, so the browser as well as editor will understand that, okay, it's an HTML. By the way, HTML is not a language. It's basically a it's not like Python and all that. It's like the it's hypertext markup language, which basically gives the structure to the web page. You know, the entire the structure is being given by the HTML. So okay, now, and I will make one more file, that is a readme file, because we are going to write everything inside it. Okay, so you can see, just a sec, index.html. Okay, so as you can see that I have made a file, index.html, as well as readme file. So and to run this editor, to run the whatever we wanted to see the web page, on the web page, to run the browser, we need live server. We are going to use a live server. So just install this extension. This is a live server. Okay, so here what we are going to do is, first, when you will type an exclamation mark, you are going to see an emit abbreviation, which will give you the base code, the base code for the HTML. So here you can see, as I have pressed it on that, so you can see it has given the base code for the HTML. It is also called as the boilerplate. So okay, I'll explain you what all this is. So doc type and HTML, this basically, this first tag signifies that it is the document type is HTML5 type. Then this HTML written language, this attribute language, and that is English. This HTML tag is basically the root element. We say the root element or the root tag for the web page. I will make you understand this. And then the next tag is the head tag. Head tag basically means it give us, it is head tag does whatever display, it doesn't display anything on the web page, but head tag give us the metadata, means an additional information. Now what does additional information means? Like the character encoding, it also give us the author name, it also give us the keywords and many other datas and viewports and everything, like additional datas which is needed by the browser, and as well as the search engine to to load our HTML on the on the uh, basically to load our HTML and show us the web page, on the web page. Okay, so this is all. And you can see it here, title. So title, let us give us title as static web page. Okay, now you can see that I'm running my live server, and as soon as I will run my live server, you can see it here. This title of this web page is what? This is static web page. You can see here, this is the title which will appear on this bar, this title bar. Okay, okay. Now what? Okay, this is done. Now then we have the body tag. So whatever we will write inside the body tag will appear on the web page. Now let's see. Suppose if I am writing here Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe, you can see this, that it will appear on the web page. So just a sec. You can see here. See, it's just it displayed Radhe Radhe. What does it mean? It means that whatever we are writing, it's displaying on this. Whatever we are writing inside the body is displaying on the web page. Okay, now done. Now let us now let us separate. Now let us make a website. Like we will just divide it into the sections so that it will be easier for us to make. So I will just explain you once that. Okay, let me use my this. Just a sec. Let me use my note for you all. Just a minute. Okay, so I will explain you what we are going to do, right? So first of all, what is a tag? You must be seeing something written like this, h1, and then with a closing again h1. Now what does this mean? This is a tag. This is a tag, HTML tag. And tag means basically a container which will contain a content inside it. Okay, so inside this it will contain a suppose we wrote Radhe Radhe, so let's write Radhe Radhe. Okay, we have written Radhe Radhe. Now this is what this is called. This is called what? This is called content. This is what? This is the content which we have written, right? This is the content we have written. And this entire, this is called is the h1, this one is called as the opening tag, this is called a closing tag, and the opening tag and the closing tag is always inside an angular bracket. is always inside a angular bracket, and the closing tag is always with a forward slash. And this opening tag with the content as well as the closing tag is called as element. This all three is called as element. Okay, this is done. Now let us know, let us describe how we are, let me describe how we are going to make the website, the the static web page. So first we are going to, I'll draw and I'll show you like how it's going to appear. Okay, let me choose black. Fine. So the first will be the header. Suppose I'm just drawing, just try to understand. The first will be the header, whatever the heading, the header part. The second will be the, again the second will be the introduction part. The second section will be the introduction section. Then the third section will be the, the destination one, like the, the, what to say, the popular destination where we need to visit. And the fourth will be the travel package. Travel. Okay, I wanted to show you the travel package will be something like this. Okay, so let me choose blue. So in travel package, what we are going to do, we are going to write, we are going to make a table. In the travel package, we are going to make a table. Okay, and inside this table we are going to do what, we are going to write whatever the heading we are, like whatever we wanted to give the data into it. So we, in the fourth section, that is the travel package, we will be making a table there. And then the fifth is the fifth section is the contact form or contact us form, and the last sixth section is the footer section. So this is all about. Now in the, if we talk about this first one, the header section, what we are going to do, this will be the basic layout. Okay, just a sec. So this will be, then will be the, what to say, the contact form, and at the last will be the footer form. So it is into six, 1 2 3 4 5 6 sections. We are going to make 6 sections total. Okay, so now let's go back to our VS Code, and in the readme file, let us write each thing one by one. So at one, what we are going to do, we are going to make a, just write hashtag and write the first will be the header section. Okay, then what will be the second, the second will be what, second will be the introduction section. Introduction section. The third will be the the popular destination section. Popular destination, like wherever we wanted to visit, all that we are going to write. And the fourth will be the package, you know the package, I mean the travel package, which will consist what will, which will consist the table. And the fifth will be the contact form section. Then the sixth will be the footer section, right? So we are going to do this. Now let's make this. So let's make the header section. So you can see I'm writing something like this. This is called comment. So I am commenting this line number 9, so as this will not be readed by the editor, but it is understandable for us. When a code become very, we are writing too much of thing, we can just write it, the plain text here, to make the other developer, as any person who will visit this code area, they can understand that what is this section consist of. So first will be the header section. So let's write the header section. Okay, so in the header section we are going to write header. I will explain you everything. please bear with me and just see what I'm writing right now. I'll explain everything. So in the header section, what we are going to do, we are going to write the we are going to write the h1 tag, and inside this what we are going to write, we are going to write that explore India, because we are from India, so let's explore first India. Okay, so and the second what we are going to do is, then we will add a nav tag here, because what we want that whatever the link we are adding here, it should navigate within the page wherever we want inside the page. That's okay. So this nav tag, we will add an anchor element, href. We will give a hypertext reference, that is, whenever we wanted to whenever we wanted to link, or whenever we wanted to navigate within the same page, we can use this href with hashtag, and we can use a section id with the same name whatever we are giving here. Suppose if I am giving here as home. Okay, so this is the home. Second, let's copy paste this. Control C, Control V, Control V, then Control V. Okay, first is the home. The second is the destination. Right? Let everything be small letter only. Okay, destination. Then the third will be the package. Fourth will be the contact. So here let's write destination. Then let's write the package. Then let's write the contact. The spelling is wrong. Fine. Contact, package. Okay, this is done. The header section is done. Now let's do the next, which will be a second will be what? A second will be the introduction section, right? Introduction section, where we are going to write in the heading tag, we are going to write let's get ready for your next adventure, right? Okay, this is, then what we can do here, we can then, this is already done. Here sorry, I forgot to add the section. And inside this section I need to add the ID, and this ID will be home, because you can easily navigate here. Okay, so we can write a paragraph also here. In this paragraph we can write, let's visit different part of India representing great diversity, and many more you can write. Okay, anything else you can write. I'm just writing this to show you all. I don't want this video to be too much long, so I'm just writing everything very fastly. Okay, now next is done, this section. Now the next section what we are going to write is, in the next section we will be, okay, this is introduction. Now this section it will be introduction is done. Okay, so it will be the popular destination section. Okay, So here what I'm going to do, in the popular destination section, I'm going to write everything. Destination is there, yeah, destination. Here I'm going to write everything. Here I'm going to use the list. Okay, so list means what? List give us, or list represent us, list give us the actual or the real data of the user. Okay, sorry, not list. List, basically we can get the actual data, for an example, wait, I'll show you. So if we see, we are going to use, okay, let's give the heading h2, not h1, it should be h2, because okay, in this h2 what we are going to do, in this we will just write that popular destination places. Fine. Now inside this we are going to use an unordered list. Inside this unordered we are going to list everything, and inside this list we are going to take a image of any place, and okay, so let me take some place of um, okay, let me take image of Barsana. Okay, so copy image address. Let me control V. Then let me give some alternative name to it. Then Barsana pick. Done. Okay. Now next what I wanted to add with the image, I wanted to add the heading of that place, which will be, what is the place name? Barsana. Then I wanted to describe about Barsana, so I wanted to write the paragraph. It is a birthplace of Shri Ji Radha Rani. It is a holy place of Hindus. Okay. And again I wanted to add a list. Inside this list I'm going to add an image, and that image would be of SRC, not HCR, SRC, and that image would be of, let me see the image of Manali. Image of Rohtang. I wanted to write it inside this. Then alt is it, what we can write it here, it's a Manali pick. Done. Close this. Then in this tag we can write it as Manali. Okay. Then in paragraph we can write Manali is a hill station and also it is a must visit place with nature beauty. Okay, whatever written, it's done. Okay, in the same way what will I do, that this is an ordered list I've created, unordered list. Let me create one ordered list and show you once. Okay, now what will I do, I will again take a image here, image src is src. let me take the image of let me take the image of Kolkata. Okay, let me take the image of Kolkata. Copy image address. I wanted to choose this, so I've chosen the Victoria's one. Okay, fine. I'll then just give Kolkata image. Done. Good, great. Now what we need to do, we need to give the heading, right? S3 we will write Kolkata. It's bit, I know it's taking time, but please bear with me. Okay, then we'll write the paragraph that Kolkata is very populated and crowded place. It's a land of Bengalis and it's a land of Deity. Okay, I've written this. Now in the same way I will make one more. Let me make one more list. Inside this list, let me now add the image src. Let me add the image of let me add the image of what? Image of Bangalore. Okay, any place of Bangalore. We will add this, copy this and let's add it here. Control V. Okay, then let's add alt here and we will write this Bangalore pick. Done. Okay, great. Bangalore pick. Then we'll write H3 as Bangalore. Done. Then we will write paragraph as we have written the paragraph, where we will write Bangalore is the Silicon Valley hub of IT. Okay, done. Done. This is now the next section of what which we need to do is the next section which we is to write is the ID equals to what? The package, right? The package section. In this package we are going to write the heading that will be the travel package. Right, we will write a travel package. Done. Then what we will do after writing the travel package, as I've already told you that this travel package will be a table. Okay, in table we are going to write everything. So in the table, what we are going to will make a table. For to make a table, we need to write table tag. So we'll write a table tag. Inside that table tag, what we need next is the table. Okay, we need a table uh, head. Okay, no, what we need to make a row. For that we need tr. Okay, tr means table row. Inside that table row, we are going to write a table head. Okay, inside that table head, or we can skip also this table head, or we can write it also table head. Then we can write, okay, no, we will write table head. Okay, you can skip also, you can write also, but writing will be more good. So we will write a table head. Inside that table head, we are going to write the, okay, we are going to write the th, that is the table head. This is the head part and then the body part also. So in th we are going to write what? We are going to write the we are going to first write the package name. Let's copy, paste, paste, paste. So first will be the package name. The second is the, we can write the duration, how many days we are going to stay there. Then we can write the price, how much it is taking, and then we can write the description, that is where they are going to take us. Okay, done. Now as soon as this table head ends, we are, this table row, as soon as this table row ends, we are going to make again a table row. Okay, inside that table row, we are going to write a table body. Inside that table body, we are going to write table data. And what will be the table data? Wait, just a sec. The table data package name, suppose we are going Barsana. So we will write Barsana Love is a package name. Then just copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. So Barsana Love, and what would be our duration? Suppose we are going for 1 day. And what would be our price? Suppose it will be 4,000. Suppose it will be 4,000. And the places to visit is Barsana, then Vrindavan. Okay. In the same way, what we are going to do, actually this will be TV. Okay. Control V done. Then again we are going to copy paste this entire, Control C. We will copy paste here. And we are going to, again we had made one row. Next time we are going to write what? We are going to write Manali. and suppose it's costing us, suppose 80,000, suppose it's costing us 60,000. 1 2 3 4, suppose it's costing us 60,000. Sorry, number of days we are going, suppose we are going for 6 days and it costing us 40,000. Let's add this 40,000. And the places we will visit is Rohtang Valley, then Solan, then Kullu, etc. Okay, this is, then let us again copy paste this, Control C. We are going to again one time copy paste 4 times. Now Manali, now we have already Kolkata. Okay, for 6 days it's costing 4,000. Then we are going Victoria, Victoria Palace, right? Victoria Palace, then Science City, anywhere. Just you can add whatever you want, how many you want. Then we are going to Bangalore, right? For suppose for 26 days, suppose for 6 days, and it costing us same 40,000. And then here we are going to suppose Whitefield, then Manyata, anything. You can add as many you want. Okay, so this is what I have made a table, everything. And the next we will also add a form, sorry, we will add a contact that will include a form, and at the end we'll add a footer. So let me add this section here. So this is the package section. Okay, so let me just runs it one. Okay, so see, our website is ready. You can see whatever I have. Okay, let us inspect this once and I will explain you everything now, as we have already made the our website. See this, if you will see it properly, can you see this is a header? It's written here header. Just see it properly, it's written header. So header, section, footer, these all are semantics element. Now what does semantic means? Semantic means which adds some value, some meaning to the to that tag. So this will add, suppose if you are telling header, header means it will be on the top, footer means it will be on the bottom, section means it's a body, that the body part, the middle part, the main part. So these all things, like you can say date also, text area also, and lot many h1, these all are what, these give some meaningful information to us. So these are semantic. Whereas non-semantic, which does not give us any meaningful information, that is only a container, example div, and you can say span, they are only used for styling and all that purposes. Okay, so now next you can see this is h2 element which I have used. Okay, you can see this is what, this is the h1 tag which I have used inside the header. This is the anchor tag. Anchor tag means what, I have used the nav, I have used the nav tag. Nav means it's navigating us. So suppose if I'm going to, I have used an anchor tag to make a create a link. If I'm clicking on this home, it will take us to home. Okay, if I'm clicking on destination, see it is taking us to destination. If I'm clicking on package, it's taking me to the package. Can you see the contact? I haven't made the contact form. So this is what about how this nav as well as the anchor tag works. And you might have seen, okay, I'll explain you everything. The next is what, The next is this, the paragraph element. Paragraph means simply we can write the paragraph. Then you can see this as the h2 tag and all that. This, can you see, we have made a static web page, man. See, this is a table. This is a table. This section hashtag package, you know, this section we have made just the table. This is a table, this is a row. See, can you see everything? Okay, now I will explain you this, just a sec. Okay, so as you can see the header section, we have the h1 tag. H1 tag means we are just giving the header. We have seen the explore, that is what the explore India. Then we can we have added this anchor tag. Anchor tag is what, it's creating a link and it's making, see, basically the link is of two type. There is absolute link as well as the relative links. So absolute link means directly, suppose if you wanted something, for an example here, this is an absolute link. In the image you can see this src, I have a source. This is an absolute link because this, I have taken the url directly from directly from the website or the browser. Then what else I wanted to say, yeah, and here you can see that I have made hashtag home, means I have created a, a reference, a hypertext reference with the section, with the help of section. You can see, can you see that the section id as well as this reference is same, with the same name, because this will, within, if we wanted to navigate within the page, we can use the section, we can use a section id, section with id, as well as this, both. If we are going to use this href and href hypertext reference as well as the, with the same name, we will be able to navigate through. Okay, then we what you can see this, then we have used this section. This is section is also what, it is also a semantic, and it's also a semantic element. And then we have used this. Okay, then we have used a list, right? Can you see, we have used an unordered list. Okay, wait, I'll show you here once more time. Let's go and let's see. um just just a sec. uh, just see, we will see one thing here, that can you see that unordered list is with dot. Can you see, this is unordered list, and where you can see 1 to the numbering order, abcd or 1 2, this is ordered list. So the Kolkata as well as Bangalore we have used for ordered list, so it is in 1 and 2 form, whereas unordered list with the dot and all that, bullets and all that. Are you seeing? Okay, and the same way we can see. Okay, this is done. Then we have used a list with that, the list tag. Inside the list tag we have given whatever we wanted to write. Then the package section is there inside the this is a package section, right? So here we are making the table. So for table, to make table we need a table tag. That is normal, this is understandable. We'll write a table tag. See here, table tag, inside that tr means what? Tr means the table row. Okay, I have shown you all once that, I have shown you one thing. Where is mine this? I have so, wait just a second. I have shown you all that this is what the table, this is the row. Okay, this is the row. So we are going to write for that, what we are going to do, we are going to write the tr, tr for the row. Then for single row we will write tr. Then the head, like the head part where we have written the things. Okay, just a sec, you can see it here. Just a minute. Okay, for here I will write and I will make you understand everything, don't worry. Okay, here we have written the package. Okay, I have written the package name. So this is the package name. Second, what? Second, I have written the duration. So this is the duration. So, then suppose again I have written, again what I have written, again I have written a duration. Then I have written the price. Then I have written the description. And let me draw this. Okay, so I have made, so this is what, this is what, so this is in a row. I have made this heading. So this is the heading which I have written here. You can clearly see it here. Where is our code? So you can clearly see it in the head section. We have written this head. Th means head only, so we have written the forehead. And then again we have made another for that. Then the head section, then the body section. Inside the body section again we have made the rows, because we need a row, right? In a single row we cannot write. In the first row we wrote a head, and then again for that, again to make a row to give to fill with the data, we are need to make the a row, right? So again we have written tr, and we can see that barsana, whatever we, and td means table data, whatever data we wanted to give. In the same way we have written all. Okay, and as you can clearly see also here, you can clearly see it also here, that very clearly you can see it here. See, this is the data, this is the data. See, td, td, td. See here, th, th, th. Can you see th? Everything is there. Just see, td, td, td. So this is td, this is th, and tr is the this entire is the table with the. And one more thing, can you see that this entirely, can you see this yellow one? This is okay. Okay, I'll make you understand now. Can you see this paragraph? Can you just see this paragraph? This yellow line, this means what? This is a block element. So element is of two type: block element as well as inline element. So block element will specify, will occupy your entire space. Can you see the entire space it's occupying of that web page? Whereas the inline element, this image is an inline element, so it's occupying only the space, how much the size, and according to its width it is occupying the space. So this is okay. So our video is getting too much long. So as I hope that I am able to make you understand whatever I wanted to make you. If you have any doubt, you can just comment below. And the next part, which is the left part, which we are going to discuss in the further video, is the, let me write that it is the next part is the contact form. We will learn how to make the contact form. And the other is we are going to learn the, in the footer, what we will add the footer to our website. Okay, so two things are left for our website, the totally based on HTML, that is contact form, as well as the we need to add the footer. So this is all about the HTML thing which I wanted to say. See, there are a lot many things which you can learn. What I wanted to say you is that you can follow, there are many websites where you can go and you can just whatever you have learned here, just please visit websites like MDN, W3 School, to get more knowledge of this. And in my second video, in my third, the second part of this HTML basic, I'll teach you the leftover things, many more, because first I wanted to complete the static, and then at the end we will deal whatever the left thing, like what is iframe, then what is the video tag, what is iframe tag, and there are a lot many things, what is the underline tag, everything we will, whatever is left we will discuss in the next video. So thank you, and stay tuned for the next upcoming video. That is a continuation of this HTML. Thank you.